practice English speaking. Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Oh wow, my voice sounds so serious today, but don't worry, I'm still fun, okay?
Yes, very fun, but also very loud, Anna. My ears just woke up before my brain.
That's perfect, Jake. Today we wake up brains, ears, and maybe even lazy English skills.
Oh no, my lazy English was sleeping so nicely. Why did you wake it up?
Because today we're talking about English conversation at home, and everyone stays at home, right?
Yes, especially me. My home and I are best friends now.
Same here. And don't worry, listeners, this is super easy English. No scary grammar monsters today.
Thank goodness. I left my grammar book under my bed, where it belongs.
If you're a beginner, relax. If you're shy, relax more. If your English is sleepy, wake up.
Wow, motivational speaker Anna is here today.
Of course. Let's start our cozy home conversation. Okay, Jake, imagine this. You are at home. What are you doing right now?
I am sitting on my sofa and doing nothing. Very productive life.
Wow, amazing life skills. Are you wearing pajamas?
Of course. Home rule number 1, pajamas all day.
Same here. I call it home fashion. Very trendy.
Yes, very famous in my house. No one complains.
Okay, let's practice. Say, I am at home.
I am at home.
Good. Now say, I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed and a little hungry.
Hungry already? We just started.
Learning English makes me hungry. It's brain exercise.
Fair point. What do you eat at home usually?
Noodles, eggs, sometimes just tea and biscuits.
Oh, wow. Very healthy, said no one ever.
Hey, biscuits have feelings too.
Okay, say this. I eat simple food at home.
I eat simple food at home.
Perfect. See? English is easy when food is involved.
True. I remember words better when I'm hungry.
Now tell me, do you watch TV at home?
Yes, a lot. Maybe too much.
What do you watch?
Cooking shows while eating instant noodles.
That is emotional damage.
I know, but it feels fancy.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I watch TV at home.
I watch TV at home.
Great. And now say, I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening, after doing nothing all day.
Wow, your life is so stressful.
Extremely. I deserve a medal.
Let's talk about daily routines. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up late, then I regret waking up.
Same energy.
Then I brush my teeth, slowly, very slowly.
Like a sleepy turtle?
Yes, a tired turtle.
Okay, repeat, I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Your English teeth are very clean now.
Finally, something clean in my life.
Do you help at home?
Define help.
Like cleaning, cooking, washing dishes?
Oh, that help.
Yes, that help.
I sometimes wash dishes when no one is watching.
Wow, secret hero.
Yes, don't tell anyone.
Okay, listeners say, I help at home.
I help at home.
Even if it's a lie, say it with confidence.
Confidence is key, right?
Now let's talk about evenings. What do you do in the evening?
I sit, relax, and scroll my phone for 1 hour. Or 3.
Phone addiction alert.
My phone and I are in a serious relationship.
Say this, I use my phone in the evening.
I use my phone in the evening.
Good. Now add feeling. I feel tired but happy.
I feel tired but happy.
Wow, time flies when we talk in easy English.
Yes, I didn't even notice my tea got cold.
That means you were learning.
Or talking too much, maybe both.
Dear listeners, remember one thing.
English is not about perfection.
It's about practice
And confidence.
and having fun.
Especially fun. Learning without fun is boring.
So speak daily, smile more, and don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Practice English Speaking.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone, and don't forget to practice at home.